Hey, what's going on? Muriel from Costa Rica. And are you looking for work in Costa Rica? Perhaps you want to travel Costa Rica, you want to live in Costa Rica. I work in Costa Rica and I'm about to share exactly what type of work I do, and how this may be for you is up to you after watching my whole video. I want to inspire those who want to work in Costa Rica but are aware of the fact that legal work is very hard. So I have a great alternative. A little bit about myself in a nutshell. Who am I? Why I'm making these videos? Well, my name is Muriel and I moved to Costa Rica in 2018 with my husband and two growing up kids from the Netherlands. And thanks to, and here it is, my own online business, I was able to have the freedom of choice to literally close our laptops in the Netherlands and open them up in Costa Rica, because that's where we prefer to live. We instantly fell in love with this country after a great vacation back in 2016, and the rest is history. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is an open invite. You see a little icon on the screen, hit it, tap the bell, you get notified every time I upload a new video. It's always Costa Rica related, and it's my intention to create a series of videos about digital nomads in Costa Rica, how you can create an online income from Costa Rica, from anywhere, because I get a lot of questions and I see a lot of questions in several Costa Rica groups where people are searching for work in Costa Rica. And I believe, and I've seen that with my daughter when she was about 18, she was working in Costa Rica in a restaurant. And one, it's not legal if you do not have residency 100%, and then still you need to have specific permits and stuff. It's very hard to legally work. So she was literally going for a paycheck that's quite normal to receive here when you work in a restaurant or other types of jobs. She earned so little and she did so much work, although it was a great restaurant and stuff. It was not really ideal. And if you need to make a serious income in a country like Costa Rica, which is one of the most expensive countries in Latin and South America, you need to make, and if you don't want to live on a mega budget, which if you ask me is totally not fun in Costa Rica, then you should make a substantial income. Now, what kind of work do I do in Costa Rica? Let me share that in a nutshell with you. And there will be following more videos because it's too much to explain in one video. Because I have about 15 income streams as independent entrepreneur with an online business, working from Costa Rica, period. I have no boss. I have to go nowhere. I need a laptop, which I'm streaming with, and you need a couple of things to set up a business like me. Now, if you're in a hurry or you're like, got the crap, Muriel, I want to know what you're doing, show me the way, there's a couple of options depending on how motivated you are, how serious you are. In the description down below, you see me summarizing a couple of options. That is like a starters training. There's a free training from me. That's for the people who are tipping their toes in the water. They want to learn what I do and what I teach. There's also a program that I refer to that's excellent for starters. And there's also my own coaching program, one-on-one, that's like for those who are serious. Show me how, Muriel, I see that you're successful online, otherwise you couldn't live here. I want to learn from you. That's possible. But I don't want it to be about me. I want it to be about you so you can make a decision based on where you're at. Perhaps you're just like looking around for work in Costa Rica and now you discover me, you didn't know that I existed. And now you discover that it is possible to make a substantial income online and be in Costa Rica as long as you wish. Literally, you can do this from anywhere. Okay, let me share in a nutshell what type of business I run. And how is it possible that I have like 15 income streams or more? Sometimes less, sometimes more. Well, basically, everything that I do online. And my business model is based on, this is how I started 10 years ago, affiliate marketing and reaching people online who find me through traffic. Now, let me explain two words that I just mentioned, affiliate marketing and traffic. Yeah. Okay. Affiliate marketing is, if you want to start an online business, for example, you don't have your own products, which I do have right now, but back then I didn't. You can be partnering up with companies who have ready to go and good selling products. You can become a partner of them with a so-called partner program or affiliate program. And every time you sell a product through your link, which they provide to you, you earn a financial reward. And that's called a commission. Okay? In a nutshell. And there's a lot of options. But there are a lot of crappy options. Of course, like I am online now for 10 years and I learned so much about this that what most people do is that they choose products that a lot of people want and buy, like Amazon products. And they just earn very tiny, mini commissions. That means you have to make a lot of sales to make a substantial income from Costa Rica. So I hope it makes sense that when I say affiliate marketing is what I started to dive in right away 10 years ago, is not low ticket affiliate marketing. So I do not focus on Amazon products, but on high ticket affiliate marketing. It's the more exclusive kind of product that not a lot of people, not everyone wants. Like a lot of people buy from Amazon. It's products you cannot buy from Amazon, but they serve a specific audience that I know how to reach, right? And when someone buys a product like that, that is more or less from $500 to $1,000 up, I earn a very high commission. More or less, I would say from $600 and up per sale is for me high ticket affiliate marketing. It means that I have to make a tiny amount of sales to make a substantial income. Let's start with the goal to replace a job or to earn so much that you can state like, I can make my living in Costa Rica. I would say $5,000 is for a family is like a minimum. So if that's your strive for, I would suggest focus on high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, you don't have to understand everything right now. You can also go to the options and learn more there. But let me explain a little bit more. Where a lot of people go wrong with an online business, with affiliate marketing, and I assure you, a lot of people trying to build a business like this but are not successful because they go wrong with, they focus on a product that they use themselves, for example, oils and stuff. Now they start selling it. They really make sales videos. That's not what's working. That's pushing. That's push marketing. And I would say focus on attraction marketing. So this is the way that I build my business. Select a great affiliate product that's paying you high. And that's in demand by a lot of people, but more specific people with a specific budget who are willing to pay more for something exclusive, more like e-learning products. People are really willing to pay for education. And that's the niche that I have been successful in. Other people's e-learning products, like how to build a business online, mindset training, all kinds of stuff in that niche, okay? Not in oils. I do use oils, but I do not sell them. So one, your affiliate product should be solid, but it should have a good compensation plan. It should be trustworthy. It should have great customer service. That's all things to focus on. Don't just take it for granted that you find something that you like. You say, oh, let's do it. I have been involved in a lot of programs of other people who just said, you know what, we're not paying a 40% commission, but we changed the compensation plan, the payment plan, and now our partners are earning just 20%. Because the economy changed, or just because we think it's better, blah, blah, blah. People are losing a lot of money that way. They didn't choose well. So you should be very critical about your product. Secondly, a lot of people make this mistake that they focus on selling, but you should focus on generating traffic. Attracting people to you through social media and then invite them on your email list. And the product that you're selling should be a solution for your audience. So you should really know who you're talking to online. And literally, I teach people how to create niche-related YouTube channels. For example, about horses and passion for horses, or about raising children, or about physiotherapy. Or I have some students, they have channels about Costa Rica, like myself. And then I help them to bridge their audience into something that they need as a solution as well. For example, if you have a horse, like I have a student, she has a horse. People with horses often need more time to spend time with their horse, and often they need more income to pay for all the expenses around their horse, right? So would it be a solution for her audience to help people see that there is a solution for making more online? And there are a lot of ways to generate income online. Otherwise, I could not have about 15 income streams, right? So, and if you're like, what is she saying? Don't panic. It just means that you don't know enough and that you can learn. That's why I'm going to make this series about work in Costa Rica, but also how to make money in Costa Rica online, and how to online work in Costa Rica, right? So affiliate marketing is one that is a great start. If you have no product, you don't know what to do, start with selling other people's products, but not by selling and pushing, but by attracting. Now, what is traffic? That's the second word I promised you to explain. And that is, traffic is people online. It's people are on YouTube. You're on YouTube, you found my video. But people are on TikTok, people are on Facebook, people are on all kinds of social media platforms. If you know how to create content, like value-based content, that is serving a specific audience, like for example, everything about horses, how to feed horses, how to take care of horses, horseback riding, horseback material, and you provide that value with a YouTube channel. People are able to find you because the titles of your videos are search terms called keywords. Now, to capture that traffic, those people online, and basically filter them out into a group that is also interested in a solution that you have for that group. For example, a training that is teaching people to make money online. There's a lot of training about that, right? I have created a couple, but there's other people's courses as well, affiliate products that I market myself. So you could literally invite those people, and there's the third term that is mega important when you want to online work in Costa Rica, but for yourself, and have a running online business that's profitable. You have to have an email list. And this is another big mistake that a lot of people work online make. They may have a lot of influence online. You may see those people as influencers. They have hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers, but they're not building up an email list. That means that they leave piles of money on the table, because people nowadays are very rapidly distracted, and a lot of influencers, they show their audience the way to a website where they're direct selling. It's like a web shop where you can buy t-shirts or branded stuff or I don't know what stuff, but not building an email list first. So if you want to successfully work online for yourself from Costa Rica like I do, you have a product, it could be your own or someone else's product, then we're talking about affiliate marketing. And then you will focus on high ticket affiliate marketing. So you select products that only, that are higher in price, and that is helping you to earn more for the same amount of work, because you have to help people to find you through content marketing. And therefore you need to know what to do on social media to not waste your time, but to earn a living and to attract an audience to you. And that's by using the algorithms for your own benefit. Help people find you and provide solutions for free in the form of content marketing, content-based posts, videos, create a YouTube channel, create a TikTok, have a value-based Facebook group, post stuff that is helping people in this niche. That is a field of specific content. It could be health, it could be wealth, it could be relationships, it could be about Costa Rica, it could be about horses. So you have all sub niches, right? And that is basically the foundation connected with an email list to making sales. Because people don't just buy if they just find you. Or if you just say, hey, buy this from me. Push in their face, they will step back, they will not buy from you. Content marketing is based on building a relationship. Content marketing, being found on social media, and invite people to your own database. And that's your email list. And if you have a solid product that is proven to be working, that is already selling, and now you can be partner of it, you can start from scratch with your online business as soon as today. If you know exactly how to set this up, which products to choose, how to create traffic online, and how to create an email list, and how that works, or what software. Trust me, this is the point where a lot of people panic. And I assure you, don't panic. If you don't know how this is done, it means just one thing. You have to learn and be better. If you are green with this, awesome. You don't have to unlearn strategies that's not working. So if you're not burned out already trying to build your business, it's good you can start the right way. Now there's different ways to go. First of all, I hope that you're going to follow all my other videos about this. And give you a little more insight about my business, how it's run, how I can be a digital nomad from Costa Rica. But also if I decide to move to another country, it doesn't matter for my business. So I'm going to share way more information on the channel. I'm going to put it on this playlist of making money in Costa Rica, so you have all the videos together. But if you want to dive in, literally with a free video, go to the description below and see what resonates with you. Get started with my free course where I open the curtain a little bit, where you can dip your toes in the water. You can also start with the second option and start learning a little bit deeper. If you don't like it, you don't have to continue. It's risk-free whatsoever. So don't panic. Okay, a lot of people panic. That's why I say don't panic. It's all good. And also there are some people who are already following me for a while, or just they know that you can make a great living online, but I just need one-on-one guidance. I offer that as well. The third link. I hope that piques curiosity and create faith and hope that there's so much possible. So what kind of income streams I run, I will touch on the next video. And also if this can work for you, it's up to you. But then you first have to watch my upcoming video, which I have to create still. I hope that you like my video. Let me know in the comments down below if you learned something new, if you have questions. And of course, thank you for watching and seeing you in the next one, or who knows, somewhere in Costa Rica. Bye for now.